Hello everyone, welcome to another step-by-step tutorial video. Today I will show you how to create a Monese account. First of all, go to monese.com, sign up right here. And as you can see here, we will need to go and we'll need to select the country. We're from Croatia here. So you click continue. So right now what you will need to do is you will need to scan the code to start downloading your Monese app. After that, you can open an account in minutes. So let's do that. Now, since I already went through the creation process of the Monese account, what I wanted to say to you is that you can just go and scan that QR code. And then after you scan that QR code, this is how your screen will look like, right? Now, as you can see, unlike banks, they don't actually ask for documents on your address or credit history. So all you need is an email address, phone number, and an ID document like passport. So you will have to go through the entire process, right? And then you simply need to create an online money account with Monese, and that's pretty much it, right? This is for anyone that is living in Europe, right? So if you're living in Europe, if you're one of those countries, right, in Europe, from 31 countries, you can go and you can basically install this app and you can create a Monese account, right? So the reason why I didn't show you the step-by-step process fully is because it's very simple. All you have to do is just scan that QR code, and then you will be brought to your mobile phone, right? And then on your mobile phone, you just have to follow the steps from Monese, from Monese banking, and that is pretty much it, right? So it's very simple and easy process. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.